Secure the phone motherboard by tightening the machine clamp. The operation panel controls the high-speed rotating head to position the four corners of the chip labeled A, B, C, D. Set the corresponding mobile phone motherboard chip or customize the polishing depth, then start polishing. The entire process takes no more than 10 minutes, and the machine never fails. So you can go have a cup of coffee, take a break, or do whatever you like. You are free to relax while this machine works reliably for you. Simply clean the motherboard and it's ready to use.